Greetings and welcome to my page. My name is C. Janae Chappelle, CJ for short. I am the owner of Wisdom Concerts LLC, where we simplify business processes, procedures, and provide operational solutions to small businesses. So, the topic for this particular video is money, 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 money. So we're going to talk about funding opportunities, specifically grants for small businesses. Right now, there are two grants that's available. Please take advantage of it because often or typically there are not a lot of grants out there for businesses, for-profit businesses. But there are times, especially now with COVID, there have been some opportunities where organizations have gotten together and provided funding for small businesses as well as businesses, for-profit businesses. So this is one that please do not sleep on. It's from ASEAN is the funding resource, I think, that's hosting it. However, LegalZoom and the NBA, the WBNA, and the NBA G League, they're the organizations that's providing the actual services and the funding for it, the actual money. So there are a couple things that I just wanted to bring to you guys' attention. They're going to offer or award 50 businesses $10,000 in grant money, 500 in LegalZoom services. And if you don't make that, then there's going to be an additional 950 businesses that will be awarded 500 in LegalZoom. How great is that? That is great. It's phenomenal. That's why I love this particular opportunity, and I had to share this with you all. The other thing is although this cycle, there are two cycles. The first one is due by November the 23rd, and the funding or the award will be provided in January. Now, the second round, just in case you missed this window, will be offered in the spring. So, just wanted to bring a couple of things to your attention, and then we're going to move on to the next because I don't want to keep you very long. I just wanted to just bring this opportunity so you are aware of it. The other thing is for my startups, if you're 6 months old, you qualify to apply for this particular grant. Please look at the prohibited industries to make sure that you're not a part of those industries that does not. So as far as the eligibility, read that section dealing with ready to apply that's here. The other thing that you need to be aware of is it is very quirky when it comes down to uploading the documents. So please use the tools that they recommend to compress your documents to make sure that they're the size that it needs to be in order to submit the application. Trust me, it took me 5 times the first time. The first day I tried to apply for this, I tried 5 times and it just would not go through. So they are serious about making sure that those documents are compressed. That's number one. Actually, that's it for this one. The second one that I want to bring to you guys, and I will provide this URL information in the description box. The second one is Hello Alice grant. If you have not signed up for Hello Alice, please do. It is a free, the profile to establish the account and profile is free. The other piece is Hello Alice is an AI system that provides you with funding opportunities, funding information, expert information, and also a community for small businesses. So it's an all-around awesome tool. So if you can, please definitely sign up for it. And as when you sign up, typically with the system, the way that the system works is your industry information will be the system will identify what industry you're in and send you funding information for that industry or any other information that would help you support you in your industry. So that's the good part about this whole system, and they do much more than that. But I just wanted to just kind of bring those things to your attention so you're aware of the other things that's available in this particular AI system. But the biggest thing is this $5,000. Please take advantage of that. And this application is due December 10th, 2021. So you have a little bit of time there. December 10th, 2021. Hello, Alice. And for ASEAN's Fast Break for Small Businesses, November the 23rd, 2021, at least for the first round. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, I will be providing my other social media platform information in the description. Feel free to join me or follow me on those other platforms as well, because we try to make sure, and for me to make sure that you guys get the information you need so that you can you can actually fulfill your mission and your vision statements that you guys set forward as small business owners. So you guys have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. My name is C. Janae Chappelle again, and y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.